Today we will be testing a 15-minute crypto scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 15-minute crypto scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 267 different strategies with 82 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 156 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,004 indicators with 422 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a 15-minute crypto scalping strategy. And so the source video says, quick profit secrets, best TradingView indicators for scalping you'll ever need. A little bit weird on the grammar there, but we can kind of get the gist of what it's saying. So we're going to put this to the test and see if we can get a profitable strategy out of this. Will it be the best TradingView indicators? I doubt it. It could be. Not really sure. A lot of videos make that claim and then kind of fall short. But nonetheless, we're going to go ahead and hide the two indicators we had on screen. The first indicator we'll add to the screen is going to be the higher, high, lower, low strategy with source code. Go ahead and click that one there. Add it to the screen and jump into the settings. Under the inputs, you're going to change the left bar to 9, the right bar to 9. The support and resistance, the first one you're going to make red. The second one you're going to make green. Then jump into the styles and you're going to turn off all these selections right here. And leave the lines, and you can leave the labels and values if you want. Go ahead and click OK. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the 9, 20, 50, 200 EMAs. Go ahead and click this one right here. Add it to the screen. And again, we're going to jump into the settings here. Ooh, let me bring that back up. There we go. So the first and second input you can leave at the 9 and the 20, and the fourth one you can leave at 200. The third one right here, you're going to change that to 100. Jump into the styles and you're going to turn off the entry and the fast right here. And under the medium and slow, what I did was I bumped up the opacity and made the medium one the second line weight right here. The slow one, I bumped up the opacity and made it the third line weight here. So that way you can see a noticeable difference in their size. Click OK and you should have everything looking like I have on screen now. And so what we're looking for a short trade, so we are looking for when price action breaks down below one of these red dotted areas. And so once it breaks down below one of these red dotted areas here, the areas of support and resistance, then what you're looking for is for the moving averages to have the smaller one, the medium, below the larger one. And that kind of gives us our overall trend direction of a downtrend. And then lastly, you want price action to be below the moving averages, close below or trading below those moving averages. And once those line up like this, that's going to be your signal to enter into a short. Put your trade right there, put your stop just right above the swing, and you're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Dial that in. There we go. That should be good. Let's go ahead, play this forward, and take a look at what we got. You can see a nice push to the downside, getting us to our take profit relatively quickly there. And for a long trade, what we are looking for is we are looking for when price action breaks above one of the green dotted areas. That's going to be an area of resistance, and so support is below and resistance is above. So think of like a floor. Below you is support and above you is the ceiling. That is resistance. And so in this case, it breaks up above the green dotted resistance area right here, breaks out to the upside. We want price to be trading above the moving averages, and we want, this case, the slower moving average, the higher one, so the larger moving average is going to be below the faster moving average. And so once those line up like so, that's going to be your signal to enter into a long. You're going to put your trade there, stop right above or right below this little pivot right here, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like so. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see what we get. And again, a really quick move to the upside, getting us to our take profit once again. All right, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. Has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 23 winning trades and 27 losing trades, putting it at a 46% win rate. So with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $13,800. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $10,800 for an overall gain of $3,000 altogether. So not a horrible strategy. Is it the best TradingView indicators? Like I said, no. Is it a decent little strategy? Yeah, not too bad. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator during the same period of time. We did 57 trades altogether. We had 47 winning trades and 10 losing trades, putting it at an 82% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $28,200. On the losing side, you'd have lost $9,000 for an overall gain of $19,200. So significantly better results from the Academy of Forex indicator. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator, and you do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. All right, let's go ahead and go over the weekly signal. So this is using the Academy of Forex indicator on these 4 Forex pairs and this one crypto coin. This is on the 30-minute time frame. Each week we are keeping track of the trades the Academy of Forex indicator has signaled. And so this last week on the Forex pairs, we had 3 trades altogether, 3 winning trades, a 100% win rate would have been a gain of $1,800. The crypto coin, we had 2 trades, 1 winning, 1 losing, a 50% win rate would have been a drawdown of $300. For the week, we would have been up $1,500. At the 25-week total now, we would have been up $39,760 over 197 trades. You can see more stats on the strategy here and the growth of the equity here. And so really good stuff from the Academy of Forex indicator. All right, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to put this one on the yes list and move on to the next video from here.